Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install an anti-tip bracket for your electric slide-in range, make sure the power cord is unplugged and the range has been moved out of the way. We recommend placing the range on a piece of cardboard so the appliance can be easily moved. The anti-tip bracket can be mounted to the wall or the floor. Using measuring tape, determine where the center of the recessed wall opening is and mark it. Position the bracket so the V-notch is exactly 12.5 inches to the left or right of the center line. Mark the appropriate bracket holes for floor or wall mounting. Using a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit, drill the holes where marked. Align the anti-tip bracket and secure it with two number 10 1 5/8 inch screws. Gently move the range close to its final location, then remove the cardboard from underneath the appliance. Plug the range power cord in. Now gently push the range into its final location, making sure the rear leg slides into the anti-tip bracket. To confirm this, place a foot against the warming drawer and, grasping the back of the range, attempt to tilt the range forward. The bracket should immediately prevent the appliance from tipping forward. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.